Please stop scrolling doctor's orders because you might be damaging your brain right now.
Everyone knows that too much phone time is bad for you.
But no one actually explains what's happening.
Your brain's prefrontal cortex controls focus, planning, and self-control. Your phone is designed to hijack this area. Through neuroplasticity, it rewires your brain to crave constant stimulation, and this makes real life feel boring, empty. And that's no accident. It's linked to rising depression, loneliness, and attention disorders in young adults. A Harvard study found that people spend 47% of their waking hours, nearly half their lives, distracted. And that this wandering mind makes them unhappy or even depressed.
And you know what the worst part is about this study? It was done 15 years ago. Imagine how bad it must be now. Please, check your screen time. If it's over 2 hours, then take care of yourself. Your attention is your life. Don't let it get stolen.